Hi guys, I'm going to be braiding my daughter's hair. You can see her hair is so thick and full, so I'm going to crochet it down. I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide as you go. See you soon.
So now guys, my mom is parting my hair and putting cream on the lines of my hair so it doesn't dry out. Now she's doing the first braid. As you guys can see now, my mom has like done 2 of the crochet braids and this is how it looks. You can see now my mom's done half of mine. She's done 1, 2, 3, 3, but it's half of it, and now we have to do the other side as well. It's a bit, but like we're gonna get through this, guys. As you can see, it's neat as well. So we'll be right back, guys, when my mom's done. Hi guys, so my mom has finally finished my hair. Thank you, mommy, I love you so much for doing this hair. As you can see, it is so neat. It's not messy, and this is like crochet braids. They're very tight and neat, and I like them and I love them. So this was my mom doing my hair. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hi guys, so as you can see, my mom has finished my hair now. I like it so much. It's neat and tight laid. Thank you, mom, so much for this hair. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and get this video to 50 likes at least, because this video deserves 50 likes. So this is how my hair looks from the back, the side, and the front. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah.
This is my daughter's hair. Remember that I crocheted down, so I'll be fixing it. Just need to cover this place. It's almost finished. As you can see, the turn around. This is the back. The back. That's the cushion that we used. As you can see, it's almost finished, guys. So when it's finished, I'll show you the finished product. Then you close the hook so it cannot feel like when you try. You put it in like that, yeah? Put the crochet inside the hook, okay? Like that. Then you close it and then you thread it. See? Very easy. Put it in the hole. Like that. Try to cover this part of the head. Try to cover it. So put it in. Like that. Put the crochet in the hook. Cover it. Just try to cover the part. So finish it. Finished hair. You can see it's all looking nice and beautiful. You see, look at it. Look at the parting. Turn on, baby. See, it's all looking good. Nice. There is nothing you can't do unless if you don't put your mind to it. See, very nice, clean. I saved myself about 40 pounds. Just for me.